Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this REALME. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to select system settings, then click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher to activate it. After that, if you don't have your gestures navigation set up, you need to go into settings, then select the gestures, choose learn or in my case cancel and go back. Sorry, misclick. Then click on the switcher and follow all of those instructions. So I have to swipe down from the bottom of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back into the standard size screen, you need to click on this blurry area. If you wish to turn on one-handed mode completely, you need to access the same settings and click on the same switcher. If you want to change your navigation again, tap on system navigation here and choose buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!